howdy there. It's me again, Papa, Chris, and this is...
Mitchell.
What is this?
Sticker. This is my sticker.
Oh, it's for me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
And this is my red sticker.
It says, walk this way, guacamole. So, kita baru belanja dari Sprouts, baru beli susu buat Mitchell. So, back again in conversation with, conversing with Mitchell, having conversation. How you doing today, Mitchell?
Good.
Yeah? What you got going on today?
Sticker.
Okay, Mitchell's excited about stickers today, right? What do you like about stickers? Okay, so you want to like stick them on things?
Yes. I could stick it on my Christ.
Oh, okay. I like it. Got some characters. We're gonna toss this out, okay?
Okay.
Okay. What should we be talking about today, Mitchell? What should we talk about today? What do you think? Still thinking. Loading. Still thinking. Loading. What should we talk about today?
Well, cranberry.
Cranberry.
Yeah.
Hey, what is about cranberry? What are we so random? What do you want to talk about cranberry?
I'm talking about tofu and cranberry.
Tofu and cranberry. That's very random subject. Okay, then what?
It got mixed by the machine. In the transform.
Okay. It's a good imagination. I could appreciate that. Yeah. Okay. Why don't you drink your water? Drink your water. Why don't you drink water and say cheers, everybody? Hey, why don't you say cheers, everybody?
Yeah, everybody.
Okay, there you go. Oh, Mitchell, is that a bye or is that a hi?
Bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Well, I guess we're almost done conversing with Mitchell today, having conversation because Mitchell wanna get going. Where should we go today, Mitchell? What do you think?
Target.
To Target. We were just at Target not long ago, so we were just at Sprouts. We should go do something else. What do you think? What do you think?
I want to eat yogurt first.
Yogurt? Ya, kita kebetulan baru beli yogurt dari Sprouts, jadi Mitchell mau makan yogurt.
Papa, where's the spoon?
Well, we're not gonna eat the yogurt from the from the container. We're gonna put it in a bowl and maybe mix it with cereal so you can actually have a decent yogurt experience.
I don't want it.
You just want to eat it straight from the container?
Yeah.
No, don't do that. It's too big.
I want it.
Okay, we're gonna have yogurt. It's been decided. Oh, look at this Mitchell's magic wand. Sebenarnya sedotan, tapi dia bilang itu magic wand. Imajinasi anak kecil memang luar biasa. There you go, Mitchell's happy today. Oke, kita akan makan yogurt. Lanjut, saya lanjut, Mitchell.
Lanjut.
Silly boy. Oke, kita akan makan yogurt. Lanjut, see you soon. Sampai rumah, nih anak bukan minta yogurt, malah minta Yakult. Jadinya ya kita minum Yakult dulu. You wanna drink Yakult, Mitchell?
Yeah.
For who?
For Mitchell and Papa.
Oh, that's right. All right, so we toast. Ding! Hey, say cheers, everybody.
Cheers, everybody.
No, say cheers, my fellow YouTubers.
Cheers.
My fellow. Cheers, my fellow.
YouTubers.
Yes, YouTubers. That's right. Bing, bing.
Bing.
Oh, that's right. Let's go. One more.
So cold.
Bing. I know. How is it?
Good.
It's refreshing?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
One more. Bing! I already finished mine, so Mitchell gotta finish yours. It's okay, take your time, okay? Oke, sekian video kali ini ya. Oh, Mitchell udah mau. What do you want to do after this, Mitchell?
Say bye-bye.
Oh, so you want to say bye-bye after this?
Yeah, and play.
Saya sama Mitchell mau main Hot Wheels. You wanna play Hot Wheels, right? Hey, you know what? For our fellow YouTubers, why don't you grab your two favorite cars, your two Hot Wheels.
Okay.
Let's show them. Let's show them off. Yeah, let's bring them here. Two of them. Bentar ya, Hot Wheels-nya mau dipamer dulu sebelum kita pisah nih. Okay, well he has a lot. So, anyways, ini nih salah satunya nih. Ada gambar harimau. Salah satu Mitchell punya Hot Wheels. This is not really Hot Wheels, tapi ini mainan yang Mitchell juga sudah sering main. Sama ini dia, Mitchell lagi demen sama monster truck. Yang ini dia namain, what is it, Mitchell? Bluey, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, this is mine, not yours.
I know it's yours.
This
Gawat. Ya udah, sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya ya fellow YouTubers ya. Jangan lupa untuk like dan subscribe ke TripleNchannel. Hari ini udah enjoy ngobrol sama Mitchell. Ingat ya, enjoy those moments. Enjoy waktu-waktu anak masih kecil. Karena one day dia akan besar dan gak bisa main-main kayak begini, Dagan. Itu dia. Oke, see?
Bye.
Oke, bye-bye.
What do we do?